Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Module 5: Protection of Information Assets. The Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency, CISA, is a government agency in the United States responsible for enhancing the nation's cybersecurity and resilience against cyber threats. One of its key functions is the protection of information assets, which refers to safeguarding digital information that is vital to an organization's operations, reputation, and overall well-being. 1. Risk assessment. CISA helps organizations identify and assess the risks to their information assets. This involves analyzing potential threats and vulnerabilities that could compromise the confidentiality, integrity, or availability of data. 2. Security controls implementation. CISA provides guidance on implementing security controls to mitigate identified risks. This may include measures such as encryption, access controls, intrusion detection systems, and security awareness training for employees. 3. Incident response planning. CISA assists organizations in developing incident response plans to effectively respond to and recover from security incidents that may impact their information assets. This involves establishing procedures for detecting, containing, and remediating breaches or other security incidents. 4. Threat intelligence sharing. CISA facilitates the sharing of threat intelligence and cybersecurity best practices among government agencies, private sector organizations, and other stakeholders. By sharing information about emerging threats and attack techniques, organizations can better protect their information assets. 5. Compliance and regulation. CISA helps organizations understand and comply with relevant cybersecurity regulations and standards, such as the NIST Cybersecurity Framework, HIPAA, PCI DSS, and GDPR. Compliance with these regulations helps ensure that information assets are adequately protected and that organizations avoid potential legal and financial consequences. 6. Continuous monitoring and improvement. CISA promotes the adoption of continuous monitoring practices to track the security posture of information assets over time. By regularly assessing and updating security measures, organizations can adapt to evolving threats and minimize the risk of security breaches. The protection of information assets is essential for safeguarding sensitive data, maintaining business continuity, and preserving trust with customers, partners, and stakeholders. CISA plays a crucial role in helping organizations strengthen their cybersecurity posture and defend against a wide range of cyber threats.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.